Security challenges in today's environment are ever evolving. The need for private security, whether for your organization or for personal safety, has increased in recent years. Advanced Security Solutions is here to help you make the best safety strategy decisions.
I'm the Operations Manager with Advanced Security Solutions. I run the ops, training, client relations, and acquiring new accounts. I specialize mainly in restructuring the company, various positions, training supervisor positions, and recognizing good quality applicants for higher positions. The two biggest vulnerabilities that I see right now is lack of training of the security officers and the lack of respect for uniform from the public. Difference between proactive action and reactive action is definitely big. When you are trying to be proactive, you're preventing of any crime or incident to happen before it happens. Reactive usually means that you show up on scene when a crime happened already.
Protecting the safety of others is a huge responsibility, and it's something that requires proper training and education.
All our officers are background checked and certified through the state. We here at Advanced Security Solutions provide scenario-based training. We have purple judo, we have handcuff training, we have baton training, we have firearms training, we have de-escalation training. We're training you to make sure you're at the optimal peak of what you need to be doing for security. Scenario-based training prepares our officers for what they may encounter on the field while they're working. I go on the field and supervise. I make sure the clientele is happy. I check on the officers to make sure they're happy. I encounter any situations they may come across. I may ask officers if they're happy with a site, if they may need anything additional for that site. How can I help them utilize 100% of their talent at that site? The type of jobs for our officers vary. We provide security services for churches, schools, warehouses, parking lots, entertainment venues, nightclubs. You name it, we'll do it.
Adopting the use of cutting-edge technology has been a game changer when protecting our clients against the loss of life and property.
At Advanced Security Solutions, we have evolved our business portfolio by adapting new technology, artificial intelligence that allows us to diversify our portfolio and services to our clients. We have taken the emergence of artificial intelligence into our business practice by creating hybrid packages for our customers, allowing them to be able to use physical security with artificial intelligence to have cost-efficient solutions. What it allows us to do is to give the customers a presence of security 24/7 without having to dip deep into their budgeting and their cost. Also allowing Advanced to have a diversified access to personnel and strategic access to resources.
Facing challenges head-on and overcoming them is how Advanced Security Solutions develops trusted business partnerships.
The biggest challenge today that the security officers face would be that the clients do not put as much value for security, therefore they do not allocate as much financial resources for security. At Advanced Security Solutions, we're always trying to find the best financial fit for each client. We overcome these issues by restructuring, focusing mainly on training, educating the client of the value of security, allocating finances for hiring, training, and restructure, and investment in technology to improve the services.
For more information on Advanced Security Solutions, visit advancedguards.com or go to our website at designingspaces.tv.